Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Sapphire plugin in After Effects. So what you need to do is head over to your Google and search for Boris Effects, and then click on the first link that pops up, and then we're going to click on Learn More, just like so. Let it load for a second, and then we're going to click on Download Free Trial. Let it download, and then you need to open your account, and once you do, it's going to look something like this. So as you can see right here, it says Sapphire install, but they have like basically a few products available. So just click on this one, and here you see it says Adobe After Effects. So you want to click on this one to install it, and once it is done installing, just head over to your After Effects, search for S, and then a lower tab, and you'll find all of the plugins installed in your After Effects, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.